Hi guys, this is an amazing writing prompt random generator that I've found. If you go to the work for this week, click on the link, it will take you straight to the page. Right, now it is slightly American, but you can choose what type of story you would like to have. So for example, I have a fantasy story. Type your name in. We would probably be using second or third grade in year 2. And you spin it. And you will find that it gives you something to write about. Write a voyage with a giggling pirate who has a pet unicorn. Now, if we don't like a pirate, we can change that. And if we don't like giggling, we can change that. A mini sorcerer who has a pet unicorn. Now, I don't think our voyage really works with that. Right, a legendary tale about the mini sorcerer who has a pet unicorn. And you can just do as much writing of this as you would like.